This is Akira Nakai. Akira Nakai is a rebound Japanese automotive designer and founder of RWB, RWB, a world-famous tuning and custom car company. He is best known for his unique and aggressive wide-body kits for Porsche 911 models. Nakai's work is characterized by its distinctive style, often featuring flared fenders, oversized wheels, and a lowered stance, giving the cars a bold and aggressive appearance. RWB began in Japan, but has since gained a global following, with Nakai personally traveling around the world to install his custom kits on clients' cars. His hands-on approach and dedication to his craft have earned him a cult-like following in the automotive community. Akira Nakai, as a highly regarded figure in the automotive world, is generally celebrated for his contributions to car culture, particularly his unique approach to customizing Porsche 911s. However, some enthusiasts and purists within the automotive community have expressed certain stigmas or criticisms toward his work. One of the main points of contention is that Nakai's wide-body kits and modifications can be seen as controversial, particularly among Porsche purists. These purists believe that heavily altering the original design of a Porsche, especially classic models, detracts from the car's heritage and value. Some might view his work as too radical or untraditional, leading to a divide between those who appreciate his artistry and those who prefer to preserve the cars in their original form. Despite this, Nakai has a large and devoted following, and the stigma associated with his work doesn't overshadow the respect and admiration he has earned in the global car culture. Many view his creations as works of art, celebrating his ability to blend Japanese tuning culture with European automotive tradition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.